Welcome back to Alltech, your go-to channel for tech reviews that matter. Today, we're checking out a high-performance networking essential, the Surplay Cat8 Ethernet Cable. If you're tired of laggy connections, this might be the upgrade you've been waiting for. Let's kick things off with speed, because this cable does not mess around. The Surplay Cat8 supports a blazing fast bandwidth of up to 2000 MHz and delivers data speeds up to 40 gigabits per second. That's right, 40 gigabits per second. Whether you're a gamer, a content creator, or running a smart home setup, this cable is designed to eliminate slowdowns completely. It's also backward compatible with Cat5 through Cat7 cables, so upgrading your current setup is seamless. Speed is great, but only if it's stable. And the Surplay Cat8 delivers here too. Thanks to its 4 shielded twisted pairs or STP and oxygen-free copper conductors, it minimizes interference from EMI and RFI. Plus, it includes a GND wire, that's a ground wire, to further reduce signal disruptions. This means you get consistent high-speed data transmission, even over longer distances and in electrically noisy environments. Now here's something installers and home users will love. The ultra-slim flat design. This cable is super flexible and perfect for tight spaces. You can run it along walls, under carpets, or around corners without bulking things up. It's tidy, discreet, and makes any network setup look clean and professional. Build-wise, the Surplay Cat8 doesn't cut corners. It features gold-plated RJ45 connectors, UV-resistant PVC outer jacket, and anti-corrosion shielding. It's durable enough for both indoor and outdoor use, and its flexibility and toughness make it ideal for both temporary and permanent setups. This cable works with pretty much everything: PCs, laptops, gaming consoles like PS5, Xbox, and Switch, smart TVs, modems, routers, NAS systems, VoIP phones, security cameras, and smart home devices like Alexa, Google Home, and Siri. Whether it's your home network or a corporate setup, Surplay Cat8 has you covered. To sum it up, the Surplay Cat8 Ethernet cable is a beast when it comes to performance, reliability, and ease of use. It's fast, future-proof, and built to last. If you're looking for top-tier networking gear that delivers both speed and stability, this cable is worth every penny. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more from Alltech. Until next time, stay connected.